Hi, welcome back to the R&D process with MCS. So a few weeks ago, we did a video on a 3D drawing of the tornado, the process on how to design a product, the step that we need to do to bring a product into production, right? So we did a 3D printing of the product, as I showed you in the last video, and now we're able to finish the next step, which is we put the 3D product into the soluble bath, and now it's melt away all the support material. And once it comes out, it dried up, you can see a whole product right now. It's a good product as it is right now. You can actually put all the components together and you can actually test it. So this is your right body, as I can show you that on the tornado, it built off the AK12 Classic. It has the air channel on the back. We still leave that alone so we can actually still use your air line that you can that you have there. So this is your right body and this is your left body. It's snapping. I mean, it goes into, it should go together. You can see that the door right here, you can still use your lock bolt, which we can able to test right away using the tornado, actually using the bolt and the blizzard lock bolt there. All right, and you have the trigger frame right here, which we now can actually put a component inside and see how it works. As this trigger frame goes on, you can see that we're able to cover up the side profile here. If you are using your original AK12 Classic trigger frame, you can actually, it will meet at this point, but you use the new trigger frame, it goes in there just like that. Hand guard. This is the right side hand guard, and then the left side hand guard. Right there. Now you can see the product almost complete. Now we can actually put all the components inside the body, test it, see how it fits, make sure everything's functional before we actually making mold and go to production. This is the front side for it. This is the partial print of the front side. It's now a complete version. The complete version actually run along the whole entire section of the handguard. So you can put it in here, clamp together with the set screws, and then you can run the barrel. The way that we made this is the barrel is actually free floating. You can actually take the barrel off without interfering with the front side or the handguard. That way, if you have to clean your barrel or having to do any upgrade, you can quickly take off and put it back on. This is the safety. This is safety for that, which we need to kind of make sure that it's function as well. It doesn't fit because the modeling is not 100% perfect yet. You can see that each and everything we have to print it out, test it, make sure it fits, and then go back and redo it again. As you can see how that the step that it takes to actually make a functional product. As you can see now, even this is a functional safety, and it still doesn't fit into this part that we made. So now we have to go back and either adjust the stem of the safety or enlarge this hole to accommodate the part one or the other. It's much in the R&D process. It's much easier when you make two new parts. You can adjust this part or this whole geometry or this shaft, right? So it's easy. But if you would have to reverse engineer, in which that would have to reverse engineer this entire body and able to accommodate every single component from Titman AK12 Classic, it's a lot of work. Every geometry, every cut, every little measurement, it has to be right for us to use a part that's from another manufacturer. That's really tough to do. That part takes it's a lot of work. Making new products is actually a lot easier than having to reverse engineer another component to make it fit. Right, so now the next stage is we're gonna put this marker together, all this component together, and we can test it out and see how it works. So we'll see you again.